Okay, go. We need to see. And I mean right now.
Have you gone nuts? No, have you lost your sense of time? You saw me walking in here with my girls only for you to tell me you want to see me. So because you want to see me, I should fly? Huh?
Okay, go. I said we need to see. Now.
Can you stop calling my Igbo name? Because it's beginning to piss me off. This is a campus.
Don't allow me say what I don't want to say here.
Can you leave me? Have you gone nuts? What was the meaning of that embarrassment, Amara? What is your problem? Do you think here is the village? Huh? You saw me walking in with my girls and you had to embarrass me just like that.
And you think I have your time? Oh, you think I have your time, right? I am here to face my studies, not to flex like you.
Listen to me. I do not have time for some frivolities. Go straight to the point. Why did you call me?
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.